Before you watch this video, please be warned, it will trigger you, but you will learn from it.
Started 2013. When I was 5 years old, I went to my mother's sister's house to school because there was no school in my village. So when I went there, when I was 8, the son started sleeping with me. Then when the sister caught him, the sister then reported him to the father. Then the father scolded at him, and that was when the father started.
First things first, if you know anybody that has been sexually abused or assaulted, the first thing to do is to take them to the nearest hospital or a medical doctor to get medical evidence. Afterwards, you can then report to the police. Reach out to the Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency in your state, National Agency for Prohibition in Trafficking of Persons, NAPTIP. To secure conviction in sexually related offenses, you need to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Medical evidence helps with corroboration. Now back to the story. What does the law say? Section 15 of the Child Rights Act of 2003 says that a child has a right to free, compulsory, and basic universal primary education. The government of a state failed her. The auntie has been sentenced to, I think, 6 months imprisonment. Section 344 of the Criminal Code says that anyone who missed to do what they're supposed to do or fails to act when they have a duty, negligence, 6 months imprisonment. Some have said, if the auntie can be punished for negligence of this crime, why are the people accused of the crime still roaming free? For clarity, 3 people are meant to face trial in this given instance: the uncle, the auntie, and their son. The son, whose participation in this crime has never been in dispute, but unfortunately, the son is still at large. The father, on the other hand, no medical evidence connects him to the offense as held by the trial court. There have been calls everywhere for the retrial and the conviction of the uncle. My only fear is the principle of ultra force acquit, which says when a person has been previously discharged and acquitted of a crime, you cannot try them on the same offense again. The glimmer of hope I think we see in this matter is if this matter is appealed and the Court of Appeal sees an error in judgment and says the trial court made an erroneous decision somewhat way, and orders for the retrial or opening of this matter in another trial court. But I hope society gets safer for the girl child, the boy child, the women and the men. And I hope we one day turn our outrage into outcomes. I am just an interpreter of the law.